Two beautiful birds. Story. Once upon a time, in a vibrant forest, there lived two beautiful birds, Ruby and Blue. Ruby had dazzling red feathers, while Blue's wings sparkled like the sky. They were best friends, always flying together. One day, they spotted a shiny fruit hanging on a high branch. "Let's see it," Ruby suggested, but Blue, feeling greedy, said, "I want it for myself." He quickly grabbed the fruit and flew away. Ruby, hurt, stayed behind. As Blue flew higher, a strong wind blew him off balance. He lost the fruit and almost fell, but Ruby swooped in and saved him. Feeling ashamed, Blue realized his mistake. "I'm sorry, Ruby," he said. "I should have shared." Ruby smiled and replied, "True friendship is about sharing and caring." From that day on, they always shared everything, knowing that kindness makes friendship stronger. Moral of the story: true friendship grows through sharing and kindness. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.